AMS 2140, Collecting Cascade Data. In this tutorial, I will show you how to collect cascade data on up to 4 channels simultaneously using the AMS 2140. As we review this technique, you'll note a visual reference to the CSI 2140. Please be aware that this product has been rebranded as AMS. Here you can see the home screen of the AMS 2140. To begin collecting cascade measurements, select F7 Advanced Analyze, then F1 Manual Analyze, and finally F1 Set Analyze Mode. From the drop-down menu, select Cascade. Select F2 Set Spectra Parameters to specify the frequency range you wish to measure. In this case, we are capturing 0 to 500 Hz with 400 lines of resolution. Often users will select a lower resolution for faster data acquisition, but the higher resolution will give you better quality plots. That said, if you are trying to look at something you suspect is changing very quickly, you'll want to select relatively low frequency lines. Going back, you can select F3 Set Cascade Parameters to specify how many spectra will be measured to create the cascade plot, as well as the sample type. With these settings, we will capture 30 spectra quickly. But we could select delta time to add 3 seconds between collection, or delta RPM to collect a spectrum every time the speed changes by 5 RPM. For normal cascade plots, panning is the normal default window. F9 Set Trigger allows you to choose between 4 options. Trigger Off means measurements will start immediately. Tack Trigger means the analyzer will wait for a tack pulse. Level Trigger will start collection when a defined level is reached. And RPM Trigger will start data collection when a minimum speed is reached. F12 Input Setup and then F1 Select Input allows you to specify the number of channels you will measure. In this example, we will measure on all 4 channels. F7 Sensor Setup is where you specify your sensor type. Here we are using 4 accelerometers with 100 mV per engineering unit sensitivity, all powered by the analyzer. Now you are ready to begin data collection. First, we will collect data from the machine running at normal speed, followed by measurements during machine shutdown. The 4 cascade plots are collected, so I will switch off the machine so we can collect data during shutdown. You can see here the data from the 4 channels. You can also toggle between one plot or all the plots individually using F6 Switch Plot Type. And here you see the 4 cascade plots with runout as the machine slowed down. Select F6 Switch Plot Type to change the configurations. Currently, the display is set for cascade plots of all 4 channels simultaneously, but there are other plot types to choose from. For example, if you want to see the cascade and spectrum for channel A, you can select F3 Set Plot 2 and change that to spectrum. Then select F4 and F5, turn off those plots. At the bottom of the screen, you see the waterfall plot. F11 and F12 will allow you to expand or compress the plot. By pushing the analyzer's up and down arrows, you can increase or decrease the amplitudes. Switch to Alt-2 and you can use F7 and F9 to essentially walk over the different spectra in the cascade, and the spectrum will appear in the top half of the screen. If I go all the way to the last spectrum measured when the machine was at almost 0 speed, you see the imbalance value going down as well. When I go back up, you can see the measurement increasing. This concludes our tutorial. Please continue watching to select from other recommended tutorials, or visit the AMS Reliability channel for the AMS 2140 playlist. Additional product information can be found at emerson.com/AMS2140. Thank you for watching.